If you're tired of scrubbing burnt sauce off your pots or worrying about what's actually in your cookware, this review is going to change the way you cook. Today, we're taking a close look at the Carote 1.6 quart and 3.0 quart ceramic nonstick saucepan set with lid, a non-toxic, induction-compatible cookware set designed for healthier, easier cooking. The purchase link is available in the description below. Let's be honest, most of us use saucepans every single day. Whether you're boiling pasta, simmering sauces, making oatmeal, or reheating leftovers, a good non-stick saucepan is essential. But not all cookware is created equal. That's where the Carote ceramic non-stick pot set stands out. First, let's talk about what really matters: health and safety. This saucepan set features a ceramic coating that's free from added PFOA, PTFE, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. That means no questionable chemicals leaching into your food. If you're serious about healthy cooking and reducing toxins in your kitchen, this is a major win. Now on to performance. The Carote nonstick saucepan delivers excellent nonstick performance. I'm talking about cooking with less oil, easy food release, and almost effortless cleanup. Eggs slide off. Sauces don't stick. And when you're done, a quick rinse with warm soapy water and you're good to go. That's the kind of convenience we all need on busy weeknights. Another big advantage is compatibility. Thanks to the enlarged stainless steel base, these pots distribute heat evenly and work on virtually every stovetop: induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. So no matter what kind of kitchen setup you have, this nonstick saucepan set is ready to go. And let's not overlook durability. These saucepans are made from reinforced die-cast aluminum, which means they're lightweight but built to last. You get long-term reliability without feeling like you're lifting weights every time you cook. The Stay Cool handle is another thoughtful touch. It stays comfortable during cooking, giving you better control and added safety, especially when transferring hot liquids. Key features: ceramic nonstick coating, PFOA, PTFE, PFOS, lead and cadmium-free 1.6 quart and 3.0 quart sizes. Perfect for small and medium cooking tasks. Superior nonstick performance. Cook with less oil. Easy to clean, quick rinse, no heavy scrubbing. Induction compatible. Works on all stovetops. Reinforced die-cast aluminum. Lightweight and durable. Stay Cool ergonomic. Handle point 12-month warranty for peace of mind. What I personally love about this Carote saucepan set is the versatility. The 1.6 quart pot is perfect for oatmeal, soups, or heating sauces. The 3.0 quart size gives you enough room for pasta, stews, or family-sized side dishes. It's compact enough for small kitchens, but practical enough for everyday use. If you're upgrading your cookware or setting up a new kitchen, this ceramic nonstick pot set checks all the boxes: safe materials, easy cleanup, stovetop compatibility, and long-term durability. Plus, Carote backs it with a 12-month warranty. That tells me they stand behind their product, and that's always reassuring when investing in kitchen essentials. Who is this set for? Anyone who wants healthier cooking with fewer chemicals, less oil, and less mess. Cookware that works on induction. A lightweight but durable saucepan set. If that sounds like you, this might be exactly what your kitchen needs. Don't settle for sticky pans and toxic coatings. Upgrade to a safer, more convenient cooking experience. Click the link in the description to check the latest price and availability. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss a kitchen upgrade that could change your cooking routine. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.